furry animal friend present, exploring the fascinating lives of river otters and how to protect them. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe first. Well, let's start. 1. Who are river otters and what makes them unique? River otters are one of the most unique species in the animal kingdom. These aquatic mammals are part of the Mustelid family, which includes weasels, badgers, and skunks. The American river otter is one of the most common types found in North America. They can be found near rivers, streams, lakes, and marshes throughout much of the continent. River otters have a distinct appearance that makes them easily recognizable. They have thick brown fur with a long tail and webbed feet that help them move quickly through water. River otters are a type of aquatic mammal that belong to the weasel family. They are found in North America, Europe, and Asia, and are known for their playful behavior and adaptability to different aquatic environments. River otters have long, slender bodies, short legs, and webbed feet, which make them well suited for swimming and diving. They typically weigh between 5 and 14 kilograms, 11 and 31 pounds, and can grow up to 1 meter, 3 feet, in length. River otters are carnivorous, and their diet typically consists of fish, crayfish, and other small aquatic animals. They are also known for their strong social bonds and playful behavior, often sliding down muddy banks and playing games with each other. There are a few things that make river otters unique. Physical characteristics. River otters have several physical adaptations that make them well suited for life in the water. They have long, sleek bodies, short legs, and webbed feet, which allow them to swim and dive with great agility and speed. Their dense fur, which keeps them warm in cold water, also has a waterproof outer layer that keeps them dry. Playful behavior. River otters are known for their playful behavior, which is thought to serve a number of purposes, including bonding with other otters and maintaining physical fitness. They engage in a variety of playful activities, such as sliding down muddy banks, chasing one another, and playing games with objects, such as pebbles or shells. Diet. River otters have a diverse diet consisting mainly of fish, crayfish, frogs, and small mammals. They also consume snails, clams, and mussels. They are able to crack open the shells of these crustaceans and mollusks by using their teeth to bite them and their paws to pry them open. Social structure. River otters live in extended family groups, typically composed of a mother and her offspring from multiple years. They are highly social and communicate with one another using a variety of vocalizations, such as chirps, whistles, and screams, as well as through scent marking. Environmental adaptability. River otters are found in a wide variety of aquatic habitats, from small streams and ponds to large rivers and coastal areas. They are able to tolerate a range of water conditions and temperatures, making them highly adaptable to different environments. 2. How river otters play a role in nature and their importance to the ecosystem. River otters play an important role in the ecosystem as both predators and prey. They are considered a keystone species, which means that their presence helps to maintain the overall health and diversity of their ecosystem. Here are a few ways that river otters play a role in nature. Predation. River otters are top predators in aquatic ecosystems, and their presence helps to control populations of smaller animals, such as fish and crayfish, and prevent them from overpopulating. They also consume aquatic invertebrates and small mammals, which controls these populations as well. Ecosystem health. River otters help to maintain the health and diversity of aquatic ecosystems by keeping populations of other animals in check. For example, they may help to control the spread of invasive species by eating animals that have been introduced to an ecosystem. Biodiversity. River otters play a key role in maintaining biodiversity by helping to preserve the genetic diversity of the fish and other animals they eat. For example, they may select the largest or most robust individuals of a species, allowing smaller or weaker individuals to reproduce and maintain genetic diversity. Nutrient cycling. River otters are also part of the nutrient cycling process in the ecosystem by consuming fish and other aquatic animals, which in turn get broken down and recycled in the environment. Indicator of healthy ecosystem. As aquatic mammals, the presence and abundance of river otters are often used as an indicator of the overall health of an ecosystem. A healthy population of river otters may indicate that an ecosystem has enough food, clean water, and suitable habitat to support these animals. The opposite may imply environmental stressors or degradation. The importance of river otters cannot be overstated. Their presence and well-being are key indicators of the health of freshwater and coastal ecosystems, and maintaining healthy populations of river otters is essential for the long-term health of these ecosystems. The biggest threats to the survival of river otters. 3. Conservation efforts taking place to protect and preserve river otters. River otters were once heavily hunted for their fur, which led to a decline in population numbers in many areas. Conservation efforts have been put in place to protect and preserve river otters and their habitat, including habitat protection. One of the most important conservation efforts for river otters is protecting and preserving their natural habitat. This includes protecting wetland and riparian habitats, which provide the food, water, and shelter that river otters need to survive. Conservation groups work to preserve and manage these habitats, and to prevent development and pollution from destroying them. Hunting and trapping regulations. In order to protect river otters from overharvesting, many states and countries have put in place hunting and trapping regulations. This can include bag limits, season closures, and other restrictions on hunting and trapping. Restoration and reintroduction. In areas where river otters have been extirpated, conservation efforts have been made to restore and reintroduce the species. This includes relocating otters from other areas, as well as creating and managing suitable habitat to support reintroduced populations. Public education and outreach. Another important aspect of river otter conservation is educating the public about the importance of these animals and their role in the ecosystem. This can include educational programs for schools, events and activities for the general public, and encouraging responsible recreational use of river otters' habitats. Research. Research is crucial in understanding the ecology, behavior, genetics and population dynamics of river otters in order to have a better understanding of the threats they face and develop more efficient conservation and management plans. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that healthy populations of river otters continue to thrive in the wild, and that their habitat is protected for future generations. Conservation and management practices must be tailored to the particular needs of river otters, and must be based on sound science, monitoring, and adaptive management. 4. What can we do to help save the endangered river otter? There are several things that can be done to help conserve and protect river otters. Protect and restore otter habitats. This includes preserving wetlands, stream banks, and riparian zones, as well as improving water quality. Limit pollution. River otters are sensitive to pollutants, so it's important to reduce pollution in the areas where they live. Educate the public. Raising awareness about the importance of river otters and the threats they face can help encourage people to take action to protect them. Regulate hunting and trapping. River otters are still hunted and trapped in some areas, and regulating these activities can help to protect the population. Monitoring populations. Keeping track of the number of river otters in an area and their distribution can help identify population trends and potential problems, allowing for targeted conservation efforts. Support conservation groups. Supporting conservation organizations that work to protect river otters and their habitats is an effective way to help save these animals. It is important to work with your local authorities and to support conservation groups who are working on the field, to get the best results for the preservation and conservation of river otters. Those are some interesting facts about the river otter that we need to know. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell so you can be notified every time we uploaded new videos. And see you in the next videos.